Can coconut oil be applied to all hair types?
Hello there. In today's video, we'll be tackling a commonly asked question. Can coconut oil be applied to all hair types? Whether your hair is dry, oily, curly, or straight, we'll cover how coconut oil might benefit you.
What is coconut oil?
Coconut oil is extracted from the mature fruits of coconut trees. This natural oil is a treasure trove of beneficial properties. It's high in lauric acid, which penetrates the hair shaft, and is also rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals.
Benefits of coconut oil for hair.
Coconut oil can bring a variety of benefits for your hair. It hydrates, nourishes, and can help to repair damage. Additionally, it helps in reducing protein loss, taming frizz, and adding shine to your hair.
Can coconut oil be used on all hair types?
So now to our main question. Can coconut oil be applied to all hair types? The answer is largely yes, but it depends on how you use it. Let's look at this in more detail. 1. Dry hair. Coconut oil is excellent for dry hair. It deeply hydrates and nourishes, making hair look healthier and shinier. 2. Oily hair. For those with oily hair, coconut oil can still be used, but it's better to apply it on the ends of your hair to avoid the scalp. It helps with split ends and breakage. 3. Curly hair. Coconut oil is a friend of curly hair. It can define curls and reduce frizz, making your curls pop. 4. Straight hair. On straight hair, coconut oil can add shine and give a smooth texture. But remember, moderation is key to avoid a greasy look.
Precautions when using coconut oil.
While coconut oil can be beneficial for all hair types, it's essential to remember that everyone's hair is unique and may react differently to the same products. Always perform a patch test before a full application and monitor your hair's response. Overuse of coconut oil can sometimes lead to buildup and a greasy appearance, so start with small amounts and see how your hair responds. So there you have it. While coconut oil can be a fantastic addition to your hair care routine, remember to listen to your hair and adjust its use according to your hair's needs. Hopefully, this video has helped clarify the versatile applications of coconut oil. Here's to healthy, beautiful hair for everyone.